When it comes to our co-development process at AAK, we have 6 steps that we run through. First, we work to understand our customers' challenges a little bit better, and then we work to ideate on how we can come up with a better solution, meeting the requirements that they might have, whether it be in terms of nutritional requirements or ingredients that they can use or cannot be used. We work to create together solutions, whether it be the fat and oil solution specifically, or also work on their formulation together with the fat and oil solution, making sure that we're meeting all those requirements, in fact, enhancing their finished product through the use of fats and oils. We always prove out that solution, like I said, in the formulation, working with that specific matrix, making sure that the fat and oil system is doing what in fact is intended to do. And then we implement that solution and it goes to launch, and we're able to help make our customers' product better through that co-development cycle. So in AAK's Customer Innovation Center in Richmond, we have a whole host of equipment that allows us to be able to work on these very specific applications that our customers are launching and producing at commercial scale. So we have our entire R&D facility here, where we have a microthermix in order to work on plant-based dairy products, a Stephan cooker to work on processed cheeses. We have plant-based meat equipment and deep fryers to be able to make plant-based meat alternatives, sausage stuffers, and lots of analytical equipment as well to be able to understand the impact that fats and oils actually have in a product. So we can analytically actually measure our products using different fats and oils and understand what differences are coming from each fat and oil and what's our gold standard. We're able to more closely match that through the use of analytical measurement as well as sensory evaluation, which we're also able to do in our Richmond, California facility. So here in front of me, we have a variety of prototypes that have been developed at our AAK Customer Innovations facility here in Richmond. First, I'll start with our plant-based sliced cheese, and next we have our plant-based coffee creamer. We also have little plant-based pizza bites using our plant-based pepperoni and our plant-based mozzarella. Here's a picture of just our plant-based pepperoni. And finally, we have our plant-based chicken nuggets, which are using a unique blend of sunflower oil and coconut oil, which actually the product has a melt profile and nutritional composition that is much more in line with that of actual chicken fat, rather than using a 100% sunflower oil or 100% coconut oil product. What we found with using AkoVeg 11714 in the plant-based chicken nuggets is that the dough is easier to work with. You have a little bit less stickiness. The fat itself is more flowable at room temperature and under colder conditions, so less heat is required to go into the product to melt it before you add it into your cold matrix. And last but not least is the sensory expectation was really outstanding with our AkoVeg 11714. The panelists saw that these nuggets had a better mouthfeel, a better perceived juiciness, and the flavor release was actually perceived to be higher using this fat system. And of course, it won for overall preference as well when compared to single oil solutions, as well as some other products that we tested into the formulation. We did find that using a product that has a melt profile and nutritional profile that's actually similar to what it's trying to replace, which is chicken fat, did create a superior chicken nugget. AAK is a global leader in supplying specialty vegetable fats and oils to help you create the best plant-based foods. To us, it's not just about meeting your formulation requirements. It's about exceeding your desired attributes for an overall better plant-based food experience. AAK can help you make better plant-based food products happen with one of the broadest lines of plant-based oils and fats in the industry. We're proud to be the reliable, sustainable, and go-to partner for many plant-based food brands across the globe.